Howdy folks, it's Mama B, and it is a stormy day. Look at that wind and the clouds rolling in. We've got some hawks up in that tree and some baby ones, so that's kind of cool. But the wind's enough to make you nervous. How do the lovebirds react to a stormy day? Well, they stay inside and they eat millet. Or fight for millet, you know, whatever they're in the mood for at the time. You can see Smoke and Baby are enjoying that millet. And Raz and Mango want to. Baby says, not a chance. It's mine. Baby, be nice. You guys aren't going to share it all? Let's see if we can get you to share. Well, all you did was move around. You're still fighting. That's not so nice, guys. Now you have an idea of Mango, or Baby and Smoke's personality. Mango and Raz are so well mannered. Don't worry, we'll take care of Mango and Raz too. I know y'all are a little concerned. There's plenty of millet to go around. They do not want to share, not in the least. But look at these happy lovebirds, enjoying their own millets. See, I told you we'd take care of Mango and Raz. Come on, you're okay. Get up there. Hey folks, have a fantastic day. Even if it's cloudy outside, go enjoy some millet. Thanks for watching our videos.